Akwaba. Welcome, Obusiafo, to another exclusive episode from the top foodie herself. So today we are going to make Tuozaafi, Diehuo papabi. Stay back, relax, and enjoy. In this my personal Tuozaafi recipe, we need some okro, some dried shrimps, some onions, herrings, amane, dried herrings, ginger and garlic, dawa, some salt, some momone, some Maggi, peppers, Remie and Onga stew and Onga classic, any spices of your choice, guys, and some oil, fresh tomatoes, and then we will need some jute leaves, zomi papabi, and then finally my meat. Use any meat of your choice. I have here some kotoje, goat meat. I have some towels. You can use yamade. Use any meat, guys. So this is my meat. It's time to season it. Add some Maggi to it, and then add your spices of your choice. I'm using Remie, and then add your salt. Salt is to taste. Look at your meat and then add the amount of salt you like, guys. And so what we will do right now is add a little water and then put it on fire, and then we'll blend our mixture. As our meat is on fire, we are going to start our stew. So we'll blend our onion with some water and then some oil, and then we'll go ahead and blend our tomatoes too. With the blended tomatoes, we'll put it on fire for it to thicken a little bit, because that is what we need. And then we'll blend our jute leaves, guys. So with these jute leaves, I'll add some momone and some peppers, and then I'll add some herrings to it, about 3 or 4, and then I'll blend this. When you are blending it, make sure that the jute leaves don't blend too much, okay? So look at some dried shrimps that I'm adding to this, and then blend it. Don't make sure you don't blend this too much. And so this is our blended tomatoes, our blended peppers, habanero peppers, and then our blended onions. These onions, I blended it with some oil, so look at how thick it is. And this is our jute leaves, blended, not too much. And so let's go ahead and grind our dawa. So with this dawa, I didn't buy the soft one, the already grinded one. You can buy that. So after grinding it, I'll add some shrimps, the dried soaked shrimps. I'm adding everything to this, and I'm going to go ahead and then grind it fine. I mean, I just want some meat in it, some shrimps in it, so that I'll taste it good. Your girl likes shrimps here. So let's go ahead asadeɛ na yɛ no asadeɛ na enko chensi ni mo. So we will go ahead and pour it in another pot because this pot is too small for our stew. So there we go. Isn't this simple? Because now everything has loosened up. Let's go ahead and add our blended habanero peppers and then some dawa with the shrimps, and we'll go ahead and add our herrings, the amane that we soaked. We will add everything to it, and we'll add some water and stir this up. Isn't this recipe simple and easy? It's making Tuozaafi easier. I love this recipe. If you are new here, welcome. And thumbs up if you're a foodie. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more videos. It's your girl Jimmy. And let me know down the comment below if you tried this recipe and how it went. Look at this beautiful stew. It has been on fire for about 20 minutes. And look at this. Mwah, I love this recipe. Look at how the oil came out and the meat and everything. Oof, I can't wait to eat this, guys. Just eat this with me. Enough with the stew. Now let's go ahead and pour our jute leaves in a pan and add some stock. Remember to save some stock from your meat. Add it to your jute leaves and let it boil a minute. And after it's done boiling, we will just go ahead and add our okro. My okro was in the freezer. I cut it and put it in the freezer for a long time. So I'll just go ahead and pour my okro in here and let it boil a little while. Jawajo. Tuozaafi ni yeri. Shanimre. Nimre fia. So with this Tuozaafi recipe, I know you guys are going to love it. So we are just going to go ahead and then bring our Tuozaafi into whatever bowl, plastic wrap, however you do it at home. Put it in it, and then it will be ready to eat. Yeah, busy. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time in another video. Let me know any food you want to try, and I will give you my personal recipe. Thank you. Bye bye.